Welcome back to the Keto Chow channel. We're so excited that you guys are joining us. We are trying to get ready for like autumn and winter. We want beautiful recipes, so we had Chef James come back. He always comes up with something simple, so much fun, and tastes amazing. What are we making today?
So we're making a Keto Pumpkin Spice Custard. So.
You had me at pumpkin and custard. All right, how do we do it?
Okay, so we're gonna start off with a scoop of the Vanilla Keto Chow mix. Okay, we're gonna
26 grams of protein, you guys. Don't forget how awesome these mixes are. You've gotta just have some Keto Chow staples. Get the vanilla, get the chocolate, so that you're ready for a recipe like this and you can just have some fun.
We're gonna add about a fourth. I just made a huge mess right there, but.
It's not cooking unless you make a mess. We need to know that chefs make messes. It makes me feel better about myself.
So we're gonna do about a 1/4 teaspoon of cinnamon, and then we're gonna do about a 1/4 of nutmeg. And then we're going to.
It instantly smells so good. Just makes me think of autumn.
I love it. So this is the heavy cream. We're going to do about a 1/2 cup of heavy cream. We're going to do 2 eggs. And then a 1/4 of the pumpkin puree.
Perfect. That's my stirring technique.
You need to use your wrist a little bit more.
Got it. Okay. Understood. Understood. All right.
Make sure it's all incorporated, and then.
I actually really do love to cook. I didn't grow up cooking, so like actually learning cooking skills from you has been so fun.
Still a little clumpy, so we want to just keep going until all the clumps are out, and then we're going to pour it in these ramekins.
How about that? Nice and creamy?
Perfect.
Okay, love it.
Okay, so then we'll pour this in.
Okay.
We'll do about halfway. We'll be baking this at about 325 for 15 to 20 minutes.
Okay, perfect.
But this is a great, easy dessert to have if you're craving something pumpkin sweet.
I think, in my opinion, you might disagree and that's okay. I just think keto is like the best healthy lifestyle because you're not missing out on the things that we love, especially for holidays.
Okay, so this is an important part. We want to, instead of baking it directly, this is kind of the same thing that you would do for a cheesecake, is you're gonna put water about halfway in a glass. Make sure that it's a oven-safe glass dish. You don't want glass exploding in your oven. So we're gonna put that in there. We're going to put this in the oven. The purpose of the water is to cook evenly the custard.
Oh.
So anytime you do like a custard, you're gonna wanna do, put the dish inside water.
Okay.
And then.
I love it. We're always learning new skills. Okay. Okay, so we just got these out of the oven. I'm so excited. We chilled it. We had to chill it first. You're gonna wanna chill it because it's a custard, right?
Right.
James is teaching us all about this. I'm so excited to dive into it.
Okay, let's go for it.
I'm obsessed with anything custard, but this is still something you can do on keto. That is so good.
And it's not too sweet. This is a great, simple, easy dessert.
So perfect, and it tastes so good. Custard is just so creamy and fulfilling. Oh, and it feels so autumny, you guys. If you want a good autumn dish, this was perfect. It was so easy to put together, totally healthy. This has 26 grams of protein in it. There's no excuses. We can totally stay on track with our keto goals and enjoy every holiday. Well done, sir.
Thank you.
Thanks for watching, you guys. If you want to recommend any other recipes that you want Chef James to teach us and cook for us, just comment below. We want to know because we want to bring you back because we love this. Thank you so much for being with us. And please like and subscribe. Please share this with your friends. We can all live our healthiest lifestyle while eating yummy things.